Hello! In this video, I will show you how to integrate Make.com with BookingPress. Go to the BookingPress add-ons page. This is the BookingPress add-ons page. Now, activate the Make.com add-on. Add-on is activated now. Click to Configure button. This is the Make.com integration page. Here, you can perform appointment and customer-related actions. Now, first we have to create a webhook. Go to the Make.com dashboard page. Now, click to Create Scenario button. This is the scenario page. Now, first we have to create a webhook. Click on the Custom Webhook. Choose a webhook if it exists, otherwise create a new one. Enter the webhook name and click to Add for the API key. Create the Add API key. If already created, then search the API key. Otherwise, enter the API name and API key value, and then click to Create button. Now, click to Save button and copy your API webhook URL. Go to the BookingPress integration page and paste the URL. After that, enter the API value. Now, select the fields for you to get your data. After that, click to Save button. Now again, go to the Make.com scenario page and integrate Google Sheets. In this example, we've integrated with Google Sheets, but you can choose any app you want. Now, click to Add another module button and select the Google Sheet. Click to Add Row option. Now, connect your existing Google Sheet. And select the data from the webhook. Before selecting the data, make sure the data is fetched once on the webhook so you can select the data and send it to Google Sheets. Now, click to Save button. Now, save your scenario. Now, run the scenario and go to the front side and book an appointment. After booking the appointment, again check this page. The webhook and Google Sheets data are fetched properly. Now, open the Google Sheet option and select the values for your selected Google Sheet. After that, click to Save button and save the changes, and then save your scenario. Now, again, run your scenario and book an appointment. Now, select the staff member Select the payment method and then click to Book Appointment button. See, the appointment is booked successfully, and open the selected Google Sheet. See, here you can see your booked appointment data. BookingPress provides multiple support operations. BookingPress also gives Debug Log Functionality. Here you can view, download, and clear the log.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.